Discover the amazing benefits of adding Epsom salt to your plants. Beyond its familiar use in hot baths, Epsom salt proves to be a versatile and cost-effective solution for gardening. This all-natural substance is not only soothing but also safe for your home. The video delves into the various ways Epsom salt enhances your garden, promising delighted plants and impressive results. From giving new growing areas a nutrient-rich start to preventing root shock during plant transitions, Epsom salt becomes a gardening ally. Explore its role in soil amendments, deterring pests, combating leaf issues, rejuvenating lawns, and even aiding in tree health. It's a game-changer for thriving gardens. Number 1. Give new growing areas a good start. When venturing into cultivating a new area of land, incorporating Epsom salt into the soil can provide an advantageous start. This natural substance serves multiple purposes to benefit your plants. Firstly, it aids in neutralizing pH levels, eliminating the need for chemical fertilizers. By enhancing nutrient absorption, Epsom salt contributes to improved soil fertility. Additionally, it fosters an environment conducive to seed germination and fortifies cell walls, promoting the development of robust seedlings. For optimal results, a recommended application involves adding 1 cup of Epsom salt per 100 square feet of land, ensuring thorough mixing with the soil before commencing the planting process. This simple yet effective measure can establish a foundation for healthier plant growth, making your gardening endeavors more successful in the long run. Number 2. Help prevent root shock. Facilitating the relocation of plants from pots to the ground or shifting them between different locations can be a delicate process, often accompanied by the risk of root damage or transplant shock. To mitigate these challenges, Epsom salt emerges as a valuable aid. Creating a solution by mixing 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt in a gallon of water proves beneficial in this context. Upon completing the transfer of your plants, irrigate them with this solution. The application of Epsom salt in this manner contributes to chlorophyll production and enhances nutrient uptake. By providing support during crucial transitions, Epsom salt becomes a practical tool for gardeners seeking to minimize stress on plants and promote their overall well-being in new environments. Number 3. Soil amendment for peppers. Enhancing the soil with Epsom salt serves as a strategic pre-planting step for those aspiring to cultivate flourishing roses, peppers, and tomatoes. These plants, known for their exquisite beauty in the case of roses and abundant yields in the case of peppers and tomatoes, thrive when provided with optimal magnesium levels. Epsom salt, with its rich repository of micronutrients, emerges as a natural and effective soil amendment to meet this requirement. For every 25 square feet of land, incorporating a 1/4 cup of Epsom salt into the soil becomes the recommended dosage. To ensure its efficacy, the salt should be evenly spread and worked into the soil at a depth of approximately 6 to 8 inches. This preparatory measure lays the foundation for robust plant growth, vibrant blooms, and bountiful harvests. Number 4. Deter creepy crawlies and animals. While most of us rarely enjoy the sight of insects, we do tend to like animals. Rabbits, deer, raccoons. You buggers. That is, until they start eating the plants in the garden. To help deter bugs and animals from munching on your prized plants, you can make a quick spray solution. Mix 1 cup of Epsom salt in 5 gallons of water and then spray the leaves of your plants. Of course, this is not a guaranteed fix, and your furry friends may keep stopping by to say hello. But it's unlikely they will be interested in eating your plants. The same goes for any insects. Number 5. Combat leaf curling and yellowing. When you observe troubling signs like leaf curling or yellowing in your plants, it can be perplexing. If you've already ruled out common issues like overwatering or underwatering, Epsom salt might offer a solution. A simple mixture of 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt in a gallon of water can be a game-changer for your struggling plants. The application involves spraying this solution directly onto the leaves. Epsom salt, with its magnesium content, plays a role in enhancing chlorophyll production and nutrient uptake. This application is a natural and effective way to address nutrient deficiencies that may be causing the leaf issues. Consider incorporating this remedy into your plant care routine to witness potential improvements in leaf health and overall plant vitality. Number 6. Rejuvenate lawn. If your lawn isn't looking quite as it used to, rather than making major changes or applying chemicals, try some Epsom salt. You'll need to get a spreader and then add about 3 pounds of the salt to start. Then move the spreader around the lawn to cover it evenly. Keep in mind that you'll need about 5 pounds of Epsom salt for every 1,000 square feet, so be sure to get enough before you start. And for maintenance, do this twice a year. Once at the start of spring and then again in the fall. Number 7. Apply around trees. Trees definitely hold the top spot for the largest plants in your garden, and Epsom salt can greatly benefit them too. Improve the absorption of minerals by adding some to the soil. You'll have stronger and healthier trees. Epsom salt can further help if your trees bloom or produce fruits. There will be a noticeable increase in both. Over the area of the tree roots, work in about 1 tablespoon for every 5 square feet of soil, and do this 3 to 4 times each year. It will help your trees become healthier and will help them deal better with weather changes. Number 8. Improved soil structure. Epsom salt containing magnesium plays a pivotal role in enhancing soil structure, particularly in clay-heavy soils. Clay soils tend to compact, restricting root penetration and water absorption. The magnesium in Epsom salt helps to counteract this compaction, promoting better aeration and drainage. As Epsom salt is added to the soil, it works to break down clay particles, preventing them from clumping together. This transformation results in looser, more porous soil, creating an environment where plant roots can easily penetrate and explore for vital nutrients. The improved soil structure also facilitates better water retention, preventing waterlogged conditions that can be detrimental to plant health. Number 9. Pest deterrent. In the realm of gardening, Epsom salt is believed by some to act as a natural deterrent for certain pests, offering a chemical-free method of protecting plants. While scientific evidence supporting this claim is limited, anecdotal evidence suggests that the application of Epsom salt around plants can help repel pests like slugs and snails. The abrasive texture of the salt may create an inhospitable barrier for these pests, deterring them from approaching and potentially damaging the plants. This natural pest deterrent provides an eco-friendly alternative to chemical pesticides, aligning with environmentally conscious gardening practices. Number 10. Foliage health. The application of a diluted Epsom salt solution on plant leaves is a practice endorsed by many gardeners for promoting foliage health. Magnesium, a key component of chlorophyll, is essential for photosynthesis, the process through which plants convert sunlight into energy. By spraying Epsom salt on leaves, plants can absorb magnesium directly, contributing to the production of chlorophyll and enhancing their ability to harness energy from the sun. Additionally, the improved magnesium levels may fortify the leaves, making them more resistant to common diseases and pests. This proactive approach to foliage health not only supports overall plant vitality but also reduces the reliance on chemical interventions in plant care. Bonus: Epsom salt also helps remove a splinter. If you've been gardening for a while, you are no stranger to getting those dreaded splinters. After all, it's really hard to avoid them even if you wear gloves. Next time this happens to you, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt to a cup of water, and then soak the affected area. This process will help loosen the area around the splinter, drawing it out. While generally it's good to have a soil test done before adding nutrients, one of the best things about Epsom salt is that it's neutral in pH value, meaning it won't damage your soil, and it can be beneficial to most plants. So ultimately, it's safe and easy to use and solves many garden-related problems. Give it a try. You'll have healthier plants, and your neighbors will be in awe of just how well kept your garden is. Thanks for watching. If you thought this video offered some useful information, give it a like and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.